So today I'm going to do this amazing detox fat wrap. It's a wrap. It's called It's a Wrap Party, and I'm so excited for this. So one of the things that we're going to use is this food grade. We're the only ones, I believe, with a food grade castor oil. If you are buying castor oil, please make sure it's a glass bottle, it's hexane free, it's cold press, it's amber colored. You don't want the light to get in there and oxidize that. And so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure. So I put on a little bit more around the midsection. And you're gonna wanna do this every day. So that is, oh, this isn't full inches. Okay, 3 feet, 36 inches. And you're gonna wanna measure this at the same place every single day. So I'm gonna do my biggest area right there. You can do, well, you're not gonna do your hips. You're gonna do the same place every day. You are going to add, I'm gonna take that dropper out. You're gonna add about 2 tablespoons of castor oil to this, maybe 1 tablespoon. You can kind of see in there how much I have. This essential oil has grapefruit, it's got lemongrass, it has lemon. There's a bunch of different plant extracts that are in this oil that are specifically designed to reduce the swelling, to reduce the fat cells. It gets deep into the skin. Castor oil is going to push that into the skin even a little bit more because castor oil, whatever you have it in contact with, is going to push that into your body even more because of the way that it works and the way that it absorbs. So when you mix it with the essential oil, so I'm going to put 5 drops in here. Oh, got a little bit more than that. I'm going to mix that up. I don't know if I have enough castor oil, but I'm pretty sure I do. And then you are just going to take that and rub that all over the area that you are going to focus on for these 14 days. And then you are going to take a castor oil pack. Make sure it's organic cotton that's going to be touching your skin because, again, the castor oil is going to take those chemicals and push those deeper into the cells. And then you're going to wrap that area. And there are a bunch of different packs like this out there on Amazon. The first pack I bought had straps that had these tiny little buttons that I had to try to, on elastic. You know, I'm talking about those elastic bands that have those little buttons and those tiny little holes. And it was a booger to get those to button. So I got a new pack and I got the one with the Velcro. Now, while you have this on, you're gonna leave this on for 30 minutes and you're going to have a heating pad. So grab your book, sit for 30 minutes and reward yourself for how amazing you are. Put that heating pack on there. That's gonna drive that deeper into the fat cells. This is gonna break down the fat, break down the cellulite and create a more even skin tone. While you're doing that, if you'd like, you can add some castor oil. Oops, let me open the other bottle real quick. I'm gonna go ahead, since I have this on and I'm gonna be sitting for a little bit, I'm gonna put about 4 drops in the palm of my hand. I'm gonna add a little bit of castor oil. And then I'm going to put that on my lymphatic system right there. And then I'm gonna wrap my neck. I'll take turns with the heating pad. There's another oil that I carry also called Venous Relief. Be excellent to do one of these packs with. This one is a little bit smaller. You can use this on your arms. But if you have cellulite, go ahead and put that over your cellulite and watch that reduce also. I've seen people have immediate results with that, like within 3 days. So that's going to be something that you can use also while you're doing this. Once you take a shower and you rinse all of this off, what you're going to do is grab the Tone. This is Tone. This all comes in a brand new kit we just launched yesterday. You're gonna grab the tone and you're gonna put that on while your skin is still moist and warm from the shower. And this is going to help even out that skin tone. So a lot of people are losing a lot of weight on our berberine right now. And when people lose a lot of weight, they tend to have a saggier skin, right? So tone is gonna help create that elasticity in the skin. It's gonna help firm that up. And so these 3 products right here is what we will be using, and those are available in my online store. So if you are interested, let me know. Would love to have you join us on this journey. It starts July 19th. We'll roll right into a 3-day liver cleanse that is so much fun. Y'all, if you have not done a liver cleanse with me, you've got to do a liver cleanse with me. I always feel so amazing when I'm done. I have more energy. I'm sleeping better. I have mental clarity. I crave healthy foods, which is really odd that that would happen. I tend to lose anywhere from, let's see, I've lost 3 to about 8 pounds in those 3 days of just flushing those toxins out. And again, you got to make sure that you're drinking the pure filtered water while you're doing this. So if you want some information on the liver cleanse or the It's a Wrap party, where we're going to be releasing the cellulite, releasing the fats that's stored in us, then let me know and I can get you added to the wellness community and we can have an It's a Wrap party together. So with that, have a fantastic weekend and I hope your week has been great. So thank you for watching and let me know if you need more information. Bye-bye.